Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a bike. This is a two-wheeled pedal bike. Can you see the little pedals here? They are attached to this part right in the middle, which is called the crank. So when you push down on the pedals, it turns the crank, which turns the chain, which turns the wheels. We're going to start by drawing the crank. So you'll need to draw a little circle in the middle of the page, quite near the bottom. One line that goes all the way around. On each side of this, we're going to draw the wheels. Two bigger circles that are the same size. So one line that goes all the way around on that side, and one line that goes all the way around on the other side. Now draw another circle that's slightly smaller inside each of those. This will show the thickness of the tyre. In the middle of each of the wheels, you need to put another small circle. Now we're going to draw the frame of the bike. To start this, we need a pointing down triangle. The top line of the triangle is just above the level of the wheels. Then it comes down to a point in the middle of the crank and back up to the top. Let's try that with our pencils. Across the top, down to the point and back up to the top. And you can draw a smaller triangle inside that so you can colour it in later. Now we need to join the frame to the wheel. So starting on this top corner here, draw a straight line down to the circle in the middle of the wheel. You can do another line next to it so you can colour it later. And do the same on the back. Then you can join the back wheel to the crank. This part doesn't get joined up, so that the front wheel can move around and change the direction of the bike. Let's draw the handlebars next. So on the front corner of that triangle frame, draw a short standing up rectangle the same width as the rest of the frame. On top of that, we're going to draw a line down rectangle, but not completely flat. It needs to be at an angle, a bit like a little slide, like this. Let's try that with our pencils. Draw one short side, a long side, a short side, and a long side. If you're only drawing the bike, you can draw the saddle next. But if you're going to draw somebody riding the bike, you won't see the saddle, so you won't need this part. Draw a little square on the back corner of the triangle frame, and then on top of the square, do a skinny lying down oval. It's a little bit tricky to draw somebody riding a bike, but let's have a go. It's easiest to start with the foot. So just above this little circle in the middle, we're going to draw a lying down oval. This will be the person's foot. Let's do that with our pencils. So a little lying down oval. And it might be a good idea to colour that in so you don't get confused. My person's going to have grey shoes, I think. There. Now by colouring that in, we're covering up the frame behind, because we wouldn't see that if somebody's foot was in the way. Then starting at the back of that foot, we're going to draw a standing up rectangle that goes as high as the handlebars. This is the lower part of the leg. And now we're going to draw the upper part of the leg. This person's wearing a pair of blue shorts. So draw along their thigh, around the back of their bottom, and join up behind the knee. Then on top of the leg, we need to do the body. We can use a wide standing up rectangle for this, which is leaning forward slightly. On each end of the handlebars, draw a little circle for the hands. Two little lines that go all the way round. And then we need to join the circles up to the shoulders with two lines on each side. 2 little lines for the neck, bleep, bleep, and a semicircle for the face, and a semicircle for the bike helmet, with a triangle down to the chin. You can do 2 little eyes looking forward, a mouth and a nose, and maybe some hair flying out the back. The other leg is coming down behind the frame over here. This bit's a bit complicated, but let's have a go. So draw a line down and across and back up. If I colour that in blue, you'll see that's the person's shorts, the top part of their leg. But it's behind the frame this time because it's on the other side. Then we can draw the lower part of the leg, which comes down behind here, with a line down oval on the bottom for a foot. Then under each foot, draw a little line down rectangle for the pedals. You can add some spokes too if you like. These keep the wheels in shape. I wonder what colour your bike's going to be. I think this person is almost ready to cycle around the park. You can find more tutorials like this at the Sketchcan Caravan YouTube channel. To support this project, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks. Ding ding!